Hey guys, so this is actually a take 2 because my first take didn't show up on the camera. So I've just purchased the Apple Watch Series 3. Yes, it's 2020, the current model is the Series 5, but based on what I was looking for, I had the Series 2 before and it worked fine for me. Biggest thing, it was starting to get slow and I just wanted something that'll be a little faster. It does have a couple more features. The difference between this and the Series 5 obviously is the heart rate. This measures the heart rate, but the new one is more accurate and works better. Plus it has the EKG. It's slimmer, it's more efficient, so it is the better watch, but at this time I was okay with spending or saving about $170, actually more like $200, by getting the Series 3. But this is the Nike edition. Big difference is the swoosh plus the strap. I'm pretty sure you can download all of the same apps. There are a couple watch faces that are supposed to be exclusive to this, but that's really about it. But yeah, this is the Series 3 42 millimeter. I got the space gray. It is February now, so these are actually selling out quite a bit, so they're kind of hard to find. I had to go to a different Apple store just to find it, and I think it's kind of unique, so more people have been sort of eyeing this, but just for the unboxing, the packaging is slimmer than the Series 2, I remember, but that had the brick. So with the Series 3, and I believe with the Series 5 as well, now they only come with the charger plug. They don't come with the brick unless you get the GPS Plus Cellular Edition. This is just the GPS model. So opening this up, designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. I am not an athlete. I am trying to get in better shape, but it does make me feel nice that they think of me as such. But pretty much open this up and there's the watch. Now it's going to be a little flimsy because I did an entire unboxing only to realize it didn't film properly. So yes, I've already activated this and it's in the process of, it's actually just ready for me to start setting it up. So I think it's actually syncing right now. Yeah. And if I click this, okay, yeah, it's just gonna prompt me through how to go through the different parts. So I'll talk to Siri, try to scroll. Yep. Side buttons. Yep. For Apple Pay. Alrighty. I will say that one of the cool things that I never really thought about until it actually happened, I'm a physician, and there was a patient that had a medical emergency and we couldn't get a hold of any family on the phone numbers listed, but then we were able to take the patient's phone and it has the emergency ID on it. It was an iPhone and it showed her emergency contacts and we were actually able to get a hold of a family member. So that is one of the new features that once I actually used it, realized that yeah, this is super helpful, and kind of glad that not just Apple, a lot of other phone brands and companies are incorporating it, which I think is a benefit to everyone. So this is pretty much loading. Big difference is the strap. This is the Nike strap, so it has perforations, so hopefully it'll keep your wrist a little more dry. It is more gray than I thought, which I actually prefer because I had the black band before and I wasn't the biggest fan, but that's pretty much it. Now this screen is not sapphire, which is in the higher edition ones. They're Ionics glass. And this is a composite back. It's water resistant to 50 meters. This is a 42 millimeter model, aluminum case. So let's put that there. Only other thing left is pouch. So you have the Nike watch. This is kind of just the how-to guides. The display, just sort of telling you how it works. Warranty, and I put on the strap, which can be a little confusing for the first time, and the charging base, which again, no plug. So that's about it. I think most people are pretty familiar with what the watch is capable of, but this is the unboxing in 2020. So thanks for tuning in, and keep an eye out for my next videos. Thanks.